Hello everyone, I am Chitranjanjeet Kaur, Assistant Professor, Computer Science and Engineering. Today we are begin our journey into the world of Python programming. Let me begin with the thought. Programming isn't about what you know, it's about what you can figure out. This thought is by Chris Pine. As Python is designed to be simple and readable, in this we focus more on solving the problem rather than struggling with the complex syntaxes. Now let's begin our journey with the introduction to Python programming. So what is Python programming? Python is high-level interpreted programming language. It is developed by Guy de von Rossum in 1991 and it is known for its simplicity, readability and versatility. So why we should learn Python? Python is used in multiple departments, in multiple fields. So it is very essential to learn Python. So it is easy to learn. The syntax is very much similar to the English. It is portable language that it run on Windows, Mac OS and Linux etc. Python has a large community and libraries. Application of Python is helped to develop the web application. It also helped to make a web apps as well. It is useful in the data science and machine learning because it provides the large libraries like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, etc. It is also help in the artificial intelligence. Automated and scripting is also beneficial with the help of Python. It is also help to make games. So Python is a versatile language. Now features of Python. Python is simple, easy to learn, beginner friendly. It is interpreted language. It is help in dynamic type, so there is no need to declare the data type explicitly. It is object-oriented language as it supports classes and objects. There are extensive libraries available in the Python for AI, web, databases, and graphical user interface, etc. It is cross-platform as it runs anywhere. So first of all, Python is simple and easy to learn. Python syntax is straightforward, easy to understand, and make it ideal for the beginners. It uses indentation to define the code block which enforces the readability. It is interpreted and interactive language. Python is interpreted language, which means the code is executed line by line in this. Now what is interpreter? Interpreter converts the source language into the machine level language. It is also a high level language. It also provides the data abstraction and where many low level details providing high level data structures are there, and it allows the developer to focus more on solving the problem rather than worrying about the system level details. Dynamic typing is also there, like Python use dynamic typing, which means that you need to declare the data type or variable explicitly. The interpreter automatically that what kind of data type we are using. Now how we set up the environment for the Python. So first of all, how we download the Python. So Python is download from this website python.org. From here we download the Python. So before installing the Python, we can also check on the system whether Python is available over there or not with some commands. I will tell you next in this lecture. Then this is from where you download the Python. Then after download the Python, this kind of screen is available over there. So from here you download the Python version. This is the latest version. So this is where you can also download the Python. This is the download part. This is the documentation part of the Python. So this is available on python.org. So after download, this kind of setup will get over there. Then you press OK. So after downloading the Python, the practical about this we will see in this lecture, that how we download practically it. So after downloading Python, now we have to run the Python code. So there are different IDEs for the Python. So PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, Jupyter Notebook and Spyder are some IDE for Python. Python itself provide IDE where we can run our Python program. So PyCharm, it is developed by JetBeans. PyCharm is a powerful IDE with features like code analysis, graph debuggers, version control integration. So next is VS Code. So it is developed by Microsoft. VS Code is lightweight but powerful IDE with a large ecosystem of the extensions. Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab. Jupyter is an open source web application that allow you to create and share the document containing live code and virtualizations. Now next is Spyder. This is also an open source IDE where you can run your code. So how we install the Jupyter Notebook? So it is installed from jupyter.org. So this is the installation screen you get over the internet. So you can also install the notebook, Jupyter Notebook, on the command line with pip install notebook. And so this is the command to install the notebook. After this, you just open the notebook, Jupyter Notebook. So you get this kind of screen over there. Now let's begin with the installation part. So first of all, I have told you that you need a Jupyter Notebook to run the Python code. So write anaconda.com. So in anaconda.com, you get this screen. So now free download. So go to the free download from here. So here you need to skip the registration. You don't need to register yourself over here. So after this, you get this screen. So from here you install your Python, and as I have already installed this, so click here, so it get installing over here. So I have already installed this, so I'm going to cross it from here. So this is what you get after installation. So go here. So from here you can run your Anaconda. Now you need to launch the Anaconda. After this you get Anaconda app. This is Anaconda Navigator you get here. So you need to click here. So Anaconda Navigator app. So in my system I have already opened this. So go here and you launch your Jupyter Notebook from here. So the Jupyter Notebook is getting launched here. So click here, go to Jupyter. So this is what you get after launching it. Now click on New, Python 3. And from here you can rename, like I'm giving it project 1. So rename it. So it's already existing, so write 1, 2. Let's see whether this is there. So now let's begin with our first code. Print hello world. So after this, run. So you get this. Now let's check whether Python is present in my system. So for that, go to the command prompt. So this is open. To check the version of Python, write Python minus minus version. So it's already installed in my system, so it gives the version which has been installed on my system. So moreover, if it is not installed in your systems, then you need to go here, python.org, as we have seen this in the slide. So go to the download. From here you download your Python. Now Python itself give IDE. So for that you need to write the Python. So IDLE you get here. So just click on it. So this is IDLE for the Python. So let's begin our code here. Print hello world. So you get the output here. You can also add anything on this, like a 2 plus 2. So you get the 4 here. So you come to know about how you install the Python. Then after that you come to know about what is Jupyter Notebook. So you can also run your Jupyter Notebook from the command prompt. For that you need to write this command, print pip install Jupyter. So it getting installed on my system. Now to run the notebook, write Jupyter Notebook. So it will take some time. So same screen which we have got with the Anaconda, the same screen is available over here. So you can run in the same way we do in the Anaconda. So there is one more way, so which I personally recommended to all of you, that is VS Code IDE, from where you can run your code. If it is not installed in your system, so you can install it from the internet. Visual Studio Code. So this is the site from where you download. So this is download for the Windows. So here you can download. So as it has already installed in my system, so I'm just starting with the coding in the VS Code. So for that, first of all, create one folder, which I have already created in my system. So Python folder. So click here and open in the terminal. Now write code dot here. So VS Code get opened here. Now we begin with our first program. So from here you create the new file, first one.py, because first I have already created. So write the code here, print hello world. So to run this, go to the terminal here, new terminal. This is the terminal you get here. So write Python, the name of program, that is first one.py. So hello world is get printed over here. So if you want to add two number here, you write print a plus b. but for this you need to declare the variable. So simple plus we will do here, 2 plus 2, and again you need to run the code here, so you get the value here in the console. So this is all about the introduction of the Python, how you run your code in the Python, code of Python in different IDEs. So in further lectures we will do the basic of Pythons, in which we will do what are the various commands we are using in the Python, and what are various data types over there, operators, and all things about the Python. Thank you.